Want to build a personal expenses dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our expense data. Simply upload your file and Bricks instantly processes it. Now we'll create our dashboard. Watch as AI analyzes every transaction, identifying spending patterns, payment methods, and categories. The system intelligently generates multiple visualizations, creating charts for category spending by payment method, top largest expenses, monthly trends, and total spending breakdowns. It's also building summary tables for monthly and category insights. Our personal expenses. Dashboard is complete with 6 dynamic charts and 2 comprehensive tables showing all your financial insights. We can instantly customize the theme to match your style. Now let's enter presentation mode for a clean, professional view perfect for sharing with stakeholders or reviewing your financial data. The full screen experience highlights every chart and metric beautifully, making your expense analysis crystal clear and impactful. Back to edit mode, you can interact with every element, filter data, and dive deeper into your spending patterns. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.